Hi everyone, now we are going to unbox this parcel. This is a kind of big one. So let's open up. Okay. Yeah, we have the pouch. So let's open this. Okay, here we go. Open up. Very tough packing, guys. I'm struggling over here. Okay, here we go. That's all inside, nothing more. So let's quickly check what we have here. The first one you can see is Bangladesh currency bundle, 2 taka bundle. You can see 2 taka, and it's a good UNC condition. You can see none of the notes are damaged or any stain. Genuine UNC condition. Sooner this will be on sale on our website, so let it be there. And next one we have here is, you can see, RN Malhotra signature 10 rupee note. You can see clearly that's a good UNC condition currency. We have like approximate 55 currencies. Yes, starting from 46, 55 currencies over here. So in this parcel we got these two items, off open bundle 10 rupee and a Bangladesh full serial bundle. So sooner these will be on our sale on our website. Hit the like button.